Drag racers during the sport's early years would try any idea that made sense, and some that didn't. They used 2-strokes and 4-strokes, with single, twin, and 4-cylinder engines, usually with 1 engine, later with 2, or even 3. There were drag bikes with motorboat engines and snowmobile engines, drag bikes with knuckleheads and panheads, and one that had one of each. Some put motorcycle engines in cars, and one person in particular put a car engine in a motorcycle. E.J. Potter, affectionately known as the Michigan Madman. Then there was the jet bike of Larry Welch. Though it only ran a few times, it became a piece of motorcycle drag racing folklore.